This is a used 2008 Ford F-250. It's powered by four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder engine. With fewer than 30,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, split rear seats, a trip computer, power steering, and AM/FM stereo. Safety was made a priority with these features: a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Keith Hawthorne Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 617 North Main Street, Belmont, North Carolina, 28012.